In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to convert between mixed numbers and the unfairly named improper fractions, which, far from being improper, are often far easier to work with than mixed numbers. Now, mixed numbers are numbers that contain two parts. There's an integer part and a fraction part. The integer part here is the number 3. Now, integer means entire or complete number. So if we wanted to use something like pizzas to illustrate that, we would use 3 entire pizzas. The second piece of the mixed number is the fraction part. Here you can see that that fraction part is 2/3. Remember that the denominator, the bottom of the fraction, tells us how many pieces an entire pizza is cut up into. So the 3 in the bottom here of the fraction says we need a pizza that's cut up into 3 parts. Now the 2 on top in the numerator says we've got 2 pieces, 2 out of those 3 pieces. So that's what's shown in purple. So let's go back to our blue whole pizzas for a second. Now we've got 3 entire pizzas, but we can still slice them up. And since our purple pizza is cut into thirds, let's go ahead and cut the whole pizzas up into thirds as well. Now if we count the total slices we have now, you can see we've got 11 slices of pizza. 9 from the whole pizzas and 2 from the purple fraction pizza. To get these 9, you multiply the total number of pizzas by however many slices there are in each one. Remember, the 3 in the denominator of the fraction says each pizza is cut into 3 slices. So these blue ones are cut into 3 slices, and we've got 3 whole pizza, so that's 3 times 3, which is 9 total slices. Then we've got to add on the 2 additional slices from the fraction pizza, the purple pizza. That's going to give us a total of 11 slices. Now be careful. 3 2/3 does not convert to 11. We've got 11 slices, not 11 whole pizzas. So the answer is going to be 11/3. Now 11/3 is what we call an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 11 is bigger than 3. Now later when we start adding and multiplying, etc. with these mixed numbers, you're going to see that the improper fraction form is way easier to work with. Alright, let's look at another example. So here we've got 4 6/7. So the integer part is 4 and the fraction part is 6/7. Following what we did before, to convert this to an improper fraction, we would start by multiplying 7 times 4, which is 28, and then we would go ahead and add 6. So 4 6/7 turns into 34/7. Now, what about switching from improper fraction form back to a mixed number? Well, let's see. Using the same example, we would start by saying, how many times does 7 completely go into 34? In other words, if we were using pizzas again, how many entire 7-slice pizzas can we make if we've got 34 slices? So what we're really doing is just dividing 34 by 7. That's going to give us 4 whole pizzas with a remainder of 6 slices left over. So guess what happens to those 6 slices? Yep, you guessed it. That 6 becomes the fraction part. So 4 6/7 converts to 34/7, and 34/7 converts back to 4 6/7.